I will bring you to witness the evidence, the mountain behind me, the 9-layer waterfall. It's a beautiful nature and beautiful waterfall in the natural canal and the mountain. Usually 100 family of Cambodian join their holiday there. But this year, no waterfall at all, only rock. It's a rocky bank canal on the mountain, no water. So please follow me to witness this.
ចាខ្ញុំមកពីកណ្ដាលដុំចេញថ្លឹងឡានកំពង់ស្ពឺយើងហ្នឹងហើយមកលេងទឹកធ្លាក់9ជាន់យើងថាសបោទឹកលេងដល់ពេលឥឡូវខំម្ដងមកដល់ខំម្ដងអត់មានទឹកលេង
This is how the so-called 9-layer waterfall normally looks like, but now there's hardly any tourists.
ហើយមេឃឥឡូវថ្ងៃហ្នឹងក្តៅបែកញើសជោគម្ដងអង្គុយញ៉ាំបាយ
In Phnom Penh, an NGO official confirms climate change is hitting hard across Cambodia.
Cambodia is classified as high vulnerability country in the world caused by global warming. Cambodia is ranking number 8 in 2016. The global warming effect to the Cambodia include drought, flood, and storm. In the whole country, the drought affect many fish, endangered fish death, and also animal death.
The Cambodian population is highly vulnerable to the impacts of these events, says Mr. Hoc Meng Hon.
In the last 4 years, 2016, in average temperature in 30H increased to 42 degrees Celsius. So it would be the issue of worst scenario that happened to them.
វាជួយធ្វើជាម្លប់ឲ្យយើងអស់គ្នាមានយើងថែរក្សាព្រៃឈើទាំងអស់គ្នារួមគ្នាឡើង
My contribution to cooling the planet is a sustainable air conditioner.